Before you answer this, I want you to be honest with yourself because most people don't get it right, not because it is hard, but because it feels easy. Here it is. What is 50% of 50% of 1000? Some people immediately say 500 and they say it confidently. But that answer is completely wrong. And today, I will show you exactly why so many people get confused with percentages and how to never fall for this mistake again. Welcome to Math with Miss Becca, where math finally makes sense. Today's problem looks small, but it exposes one of the biggest percentage misunderstandings students have. So grab your brain, your attention, and let's enter the percentage trap. Here is the question again. People forget that the word of in math usually means multiply, not add, not combine. So when the question says 50% or 50% of 1000, it actually means 0.5 times 5 tenths times 1000, and this changes everything. So now let's solve it slowly, one step at a time. Step 1. Let's start by saying 50% of 1000. What is 50% of 1000? 50% means 0.5 times 1000, and this gives 500. Then we have the next 50%, which also means 0.5, that is 5 tenths times 500, and this gives 250, and that is the correct answer. Not 500, not 1000, it is 250. Now let me show you another way to think about it. Imagine you have 1000 candies. 50% means half. So this means half of 1000, which gives 500. And also this 50% also means half, and that means half of 500, which gives 250. So you don't just calculate 50% once, you calculate it twice because we have 50% of 50%. So you find half of 1000 twice. Here are some common mistakes people make with questions like this. The first one is adding percentages. Some people say 50% plus 50%, and that is 100% of 1000, and this is wrong. It will only lead to a wrong answer. And the second mistake is stopping halfway. So when solving something like this, some people will just say 50% of 1000, they get 500 and they stop, forgetting that they are supposed to find the 50% the second time. Another mistake is rushing. Math punishes speed without understanding. So sometimes the fastest answer becomes the wrong answer. So when solving questions like this, make sure you're careful so that you will not quickly get the wrong answer.